Now, we already know how to crop an image by using the crop tool, but there's another tool that works hand in hand with it, which allows you to record the angle of something that you want to rotate so that you can crop a nice perfect image. Now, in this case of this windsurfer, the board is at extreme angle, which is a very, very nice angle for this image. It's very nice because it gives you a dynamic feel to it. But let's say you want to change it around and focus on the surfer and have the angle of the image completely focused on the angle of this sail here. What we can do is go to the eyedropper tool and hold our mouse down when you click on it and choose the ruler tool. When you have the ruler tool out, your mouse turns into a ruler, and what you can do is trace the outline of whatever it is that you want to straighten up. For example, I'm going to click down here, hold my mouse down, and I'm going to drag out along the entire sail like this. What we've just done is we've recorded this angle, and we're going to go to the image menu and choose to rotate the canvas, and we're going to choose arbitrary. And you're going to see in a minute that the number has been recorded by Photoshop based on the angle of the ruler. It's suggesting that if we rotate this canvas and we want to straighten this image out based on this angle, we should choose the number here, which is 39.13 degrees counterclockwise. I'm going to say OK. And now the image is rotated and this sail is pretty much straight. Now I'm going to grab my cropping tool and I'm going to draw out a boundary here so I can focus on the surfer and change the entire dynamic of this image. I'm going to double click, and now I'm focusing on his perspective as to what the ocean looks like from his angle. So it's a very interesting way to work. Let's try that again on a different image that's going to be less harsh. We have this truck here that's kind of at a slight angle, and I'm going to use the ruler tool, and I'm going to trace along the back of the truck like so. I'm going to go to the image menu, and I'm going to rotate that canvas, arbitrary, and we get a less harsh angle here. I'm going to click OK. And once again, we straighten it based on the angle of the truck. And now I can crop and change the entire perspective and feel of this image based on straightening out this angle of the truck itself. And of course, you can continue to do that if you want to, then again change your mind and focus on the pole. You can then draw a ruler along the pole, and once again go to the image menu, and you'll see that the arbitrary numbers have changed. This time it's going clockwise, and now the angle has been put back based on the angle of the pole itself. So it's a really interesting way to work, and you can really straighten out a lot of images that were maybe photographed at a wrong angle, or maybe you sneezed or something like that, and you can really fix everything by using this crop and rotate technique.